Hi guys, in this video I want to talk quickly about the importance of using edge domains for your cold email campaigns. So I'll show you two examples. The first screen is basically these are like current campaigns that we run for the customer we've been working with for almost 2.5 years. Most of domains that we currently use are 1 year plus. And I can tell you the results that we have and replies that we get are very consistent, really. So we get leads on daily basis. In some cases, we might even send some pretty general campaigns without Spintax, and they perform pretty well. Yes, we do a lot of personalization as well, but I can see from doing different campaigns with these domains that the results still pretty stable and we do not see any deliverability drops. There is another client. With this client specifically, we've been working for I think around 10 months and it's pretty stable right now, I would say. These are results that we got. And this is, I can tell you, this is financial industry. We use a lot of spam words in our copy, but results are as well stable. At the beginning, we had some drops. Domains were dropping in terms of deliverability. We've been recovering them. And tools that we've been using to recover those domains were Folderly and Mailivary. I think these are pretty good tools to recover domains, but you definitely need time to do that. But after that, results were more consistent. So I know many of you got into deliverability troubles. Just keep in mind, you need a good warm-up tool and you need time. And definitely you need to work on good campaigns, but in some cases your campaign might be very good. It might get a lot of responses, but still some people complaining, marking your emails as spam, and your deliverability drops. Then you need to recover. Anyway, you can use tools like Folderly, as I mentioned, Mailivary. These are good tools. We've been actually testing some other tools for recovery, like Wormy. It didn't work quite well, to tell the truth. So, yep, I hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, just leave your comment and let's chat. Thank you.